Meet Ginger and the P-Rexes on a Jurassic adventure. This is a world full of creatures we know as Vegisaurs.
Oh no!
Journey to a magical land in this rawsome,
That was so much fun!
action-packed, super fun series called Vegisaurs.
You know where to find me.
Watch now on BBC iPlayer.
Oh, I do love my teddy bear.
Yeah, Dodge Coogie is very, very cute. But did you know that there are 8 different species of bear?
Wow, that's a lot of bears. Are they all small like Coogie?
No, they're a lot bigger than Coogie, but the smallest bear is called the sun bear, and sometimes it's known as the honey bear because it really, really loves honey. They have very powerful jaws that can tear open trees so that they can find insects to eat. And they also have big paws with large claws to help them climb. And they come from Southeast Asia.
Wow, are all bears a similar size?
No, they come in different sizes, and you have polar bears that are huge, like this little guy here. They have thick fur and a layer of fat called blubber, which protects their bodies from the cold air and really cold water. And they have black skin under their coat, which helps them soak up the sun to keep them warm.
Oh, that looks cool. Where do they live?
Polar bears spend most of their lives around water and on the sea ice of the Arctic Ocean.
Wow, I wonder if the Go-Jetters have ever visited the Arctic Ocean.
I think we should join the Go-Jetters right now.
I love it in the CBeebies house. It's the place for me.
It's where our CBeebies friends come to visit us, you see.
At CBeebies, everyone's welcome, whether you're red, green, or blue.
Even if you're a potato, we're right here for you.
Everyone is invited.
If you need a cuddle, stay right where you are.
Because our friend Dougie gives the best hugs by far.
Oh.
Just like Jojo and Gran Gran, we stick together like glue. We're one big happy family.
And you're invited too.
I love you, Gran Gran.
Oh, I love you too, Jojo.
So stay where you are.
And never go far.
And always remember this.
Everyone is welcome.
CBeebies is where the heart is.
Ah.
We are CBeebies!
Spring is in the air, and Jojo and Gran Gran are going on some wonderful adventures. So come along for riveting frog fun,
Frogs have big pointy legs.
super spring sing-songs,
I love hearing the birds singing.
quacking good times,
Cluck, 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 cluck.
and loads more amazing surprises.
Me and Panda love surprises.
Brand new Jojo and Gran Gran starts Monday at 5:35 on CBeebies and iPlayer.